January 5th, 2021 Fluency. A farmer has 16 bags of grain to feed the animals on his farm. If each bag contains 25 and 75 hundredths, or 25.75 pounds of grain, how many pounds of grain does he have to feed the animals on his farm? So, he has 16 bags. So let's take a look here. Let's decode this. We've got 16 bags of grain. Each bag contains 25.75 or 25 and 75 hundredths pounds of grain. So we're figuring out how many pounds does he actually have. So we're actually going to need to multiply. So we are going to multiply here. Let's do, okay. So we're going to multiply. I'm going to put 25. Oop. I don't want that. I want it smaller. There we go. All right, so we're going to put 25 and 75 pounds on top. This one, remember, the order doesn't matter, meaning which one goes on top and which one goes on bottom. However, you do not need to line up your decimals either because we're multiplying. All right, now let's go ahead and multiply through. 6 times 5 is going to be 30. Carry that 3, drop that 0. 6 times 7 is going to be 42, plus 3, 43, 44, 45. Carry that 4, drop that 5. 6 times 5 is going to be 30, plus 4 is going to be 34. And 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is going to be 15. Remember, we are going to ignore the decimal until the end. All right, so we are done with those remainders, and we are also done with this 6. Now that means we're going to put that placeholder of 0 because we're moving over a place value to our next digit. So when we do that, now we can multiply 1 times 5, which is 5, 1 times 7, which is 7, 1 times 5, which is 5 again, and 1 times 2, which is 2. Now, what are we going to do with these numbers? Oh yeah, we're just going to add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to drop that 0, carry that 1. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus another 1 is 12. So I'm going to drop that 2, carry that 1. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Carry that 1, drop that 1. And 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So then we have 41,200. Is that our answer? No, what do we need to do still? We need to put that decimal back in. So let's see how many swoops. We go in 1, in 2 swoops. So in our answer, we're going to go in 1, in 2 swoops. So our decimal is going to go between that 2 and that 0. So our answer is going to be actually just 412. You don't need to put the decimal with those 2 zeros. You can if you would like to. That just means the same thing. For example, if you have $412.00, that's the same thing. It's just saying $412. Now, what we do need to do is label. So it says how many pounds of grain. So pounds of grain. So we're going to label 412 pounds of grain. And that is going to be it for our fluency. Great job!